Hi there, this is Walker with Spirit Motorcycles, and I'm here to talk to you about some of our new Triumph jackets we got in. Today we have in the new Braden Air Retro Air and our Sport Mesh jacket. I'm going to tell you some of the features of these lovely jackets, and hopefully you'll come down and see us. On the Braden Air, we have a very flowing leather jacket for summer. This nice interior also shows you we have a level 1 back pad. It also has level 1 armor in the shoulders and elbows. This is a jacket that will keep you nice and cool and protected during your summer rides. Moving over to our Sport Mesh jacket, it is a little darker, but it is much lighter weight than the Braden. Same here, we have level 1 armor in the shoulders and elbows, and level 1 back pad accommodations. This one does not come with the back pad, but it has the pocket for one. Again, my name is Walker down at Spirit Motorcycles. Come visit us at 460 Meridian Avenue. Thank you.